Good morning, ma'am. This is our report of Group 8.
Bail. Bail is the security given for the release of a person in custody of the law, punished by him or a ombudsman to guarantee his appearance before any court as required under the condition herein after specified. Bail may be given in the form of corporate, surety, property, bond, cash deposit, or recognizance. Section LA Rule 114, Rule of Court. Bail is a legal concept that refers to the release of a person who has been arrested or detained pending trial or further legal proceedings. It is a form of security provided by the defendant to the court to ensure that they will appear for the court dates and comply with the condition of their release. The purpose of bail is to balance the rights of the accused with interests of public safety and the administration of justice. Condition of bail requirements. All kinds of bail are subject to the following condition, Section 2, Rule 114, Rule of Court. The undertaking shall be effective upon approval and unless cancelled shall remain in force at all stages of the case until promulgation of the judgment of the regional trial court, irrespective of whether the case was originally filed in or appealed to it. The accused shall appear before the proper court whenever required by the court or these rules. The failure of the accused to appear at the trial without justification and despite due notice shall be deemed a waiver of his right to be present. 3. In such case, the trial may proceed in absentia and the bond shall surrender the accused to court for execution of the final judgment. A bail application does not only involve the right of the accused to temporary liberty but likewise the right of the state to protect the people and the peace of the community. Bail, a matter of rights, exception. All persons in custody shall be admitted to bail as a matter of right with sufficient sureties or release or recognizance as prescribed by law or the law or this rule. Before or after conviction by the Metropolitan Trial Court, Municipal Trial Court, Municipal Trial Court in cities, or Municipal Circuit Trial Court, and before conviction by the Regional Trial Court of an offense not punishable by death, reclusion perpetua, or life imprisonment. Section 4, Rule 114, Rule of Court.
Bail when discretionary. Upon conviction by the Regional Trial Court of an offense not punishable by death, reclusion perpetua, or life imprisonment, admission to bail is discretionary. The application for bail may be filed upon the trial court despite the filing of notice of appeal, provided it has not transmitted the original record to the appellate court. However, if the decision of the trial court convicting the accused changed the nature of the offense from non-bailable to bailable, the application for bail can only be filed with and resolved by the appellate court. Bail becomes a matter of discretion when an accused is charged with capital offense or a crime punishable by life imprisonment and the evidence of guilt is strong. In such cases, the court has the authority to decide whether to grant bail and the prosecution has the burden of proving that the evidence of guilt is strong. Discretionary bail can also apply after conviction in certain circumstances or for crimes not punishable by death, reclusion perpetua, or life imprisonment. Burden of proof in bail application. At the hearing of an application for bail filed by a person who is custody for the commission of an offense punishable by death, reclusion perpetua, or life imprisonment, the prosecution has the burden of showing that evidence of guilt is strong. The evidence presented during the bail hearing shall be considered automatically reproduced at the trial, but upon motion of either party, the court may recall any witness for additional examination unless the latter is dead, outside the Philippines, or otherwise unable to testify. In bail application, the prosecution bears the burden of proof to show that evidence of guilt is strong, but only when the offense is a capital offenses, capital offense, or one punishable by life imprisonment. The accused is entitled to bail as a matter of right in other cases unless the prosecution can prove that the evidence of the guilt is not strong, in which case bail becomes discretionary.
Bail with bill. Bail in the amount fixed may be billed with the court where the case is pending, or the absence or unavailability of the judge to work with any regional trial judge, metropolitan trial judge, municipal trial judge, or municipal circuit trial judge in the province, city, or municipality. If the accused is arrested in a province, city, or municipality other than where the case is pending, bail may also be with a regional trial court of said place. Or if no judge, juror is available with the metropolitan trial judge, municipal trial judge, or municipal circuit trial judge therein. 617. Rule 114, Rule of Court. Where the grant of bail is matter than discretion or accused seeks to be released on recognize that application may only be billed in the court where the case is pending, whether on preliminary investigation, trial, or appeal. 17B Rule 14, Rule of the Court. Any person is custody which is not yet charged in the court may apply for bail with any court in the province, city, or municipality where he is held. 17C Rule 114, Rule of the Court. Increase or reduction of bail. After the accused is admitted to bail, the court may, upon good cause, either increase or reduce this amount. When increased, the accused may be committed to custody and does not give bail in the increased amount within reasonable period. An accused held to answer criminal charge who is released without bail upon feeling of the complainant or information be made any subsequent stage of the proceeding, and whenever a strong showing of guilt appears to the court, they are required to give bail in the amount fixed in committed to custody. Section 620 Rule 14, Rule of the Court. Bail can be increased or reduced based factors like the nature of the offense, the accused's criminal history, their financial ability. A judge can increase bail or serious crime of the accused, deemed light risk, while a reduction can be sought of the accused in the ingredient and strong community. There is a formal request of the called a motion for reduction of bail, and usually feel to ask the court to lower bail amount.
Forfeiture of bail. When the presence of the accused is required by the court or these rules, his bondsman shall be notified to produce him before the court on a given date and time. If the accused fails to appear in person as required, his bail shall be declared fortified, and bondsmen given 30 days within the produce their principal and to show cause why no judgment should be rendered against them for the amount of their bail. Within the said period, the bondsman must, Section 21, Rule 114, Rule of Court, produce the body
of their principal or give the reason for his non-production and explain why the accused did not appear before the court when first required to do so. Failing in these two requisites, judgment shall be rendered against the bondsman jointly and severally for the amount of the bail. The court shall not reduce or otherwise mitigate the liability of the bondsman unless the accused has been surrendered or is acquitted. Ang forfeiture bail daw ay nangungulugang pagsamsam ng piyansa. Nangyayari ito kapag ang isang akusado na nakapagpiyansa para makalaya ay hindi sumipot sa itinakdang pagdinig sa korte ng walang katanggap-tanggap na dahilan.